or a right consultant for your project. So every project has its own needs, own requirements, and every client has its own taste. So to match up all these things together, you need a right designer or a right consultant who is just made for your project. So some initial pointers that you really need to check once choosing your designer. Number one, easy to communicate. It is very important in a designer that you are choosing should be easy to communicate and you are comfortable with, because designing a project, whether it's an interior or an architecture project, there are so many detailings that every client wants to discuss and explain to the designer and get those dreams and those dilemmas on the ground reality. So it should be a good communication between the client and the designer. To find a designer whom you are really comfortable with, he should be reliable. Third, he should be a good listener. Fourth, he should be flexible as per the client's routine. Manages your priorities. Sixth, gives suggestions according to your needs, your requirements, and your personality. Talks about various options. He should be a great thinker. Does he have a background? It is advised to the clients to look at some of the X projects of the designer that you are choosing, and also the similar concept or style that actually you are looking for or is suggested by the designer. On-ground experience, a very important thing. The designer or architect you're choosing should have the experience of that particular region as well, to choose and find the right material, the most innovative ones at the bestest price, and can arrange those required materials within his contacts within seconds. His infrastructure. It is very important to have a designer with great experience and a good team who can manage your project from design to creativity to the execution management. He should excite you. Your designer is not only designing your interiors or your architecture, he is upgrading your lifestyle. So try to observe, is he having that madness that you are actually looking for? So another suggestion, it's not for the designers, it's for the client. If you're actually looking to get a project done within a desired budget, or you have a budget constraint, it is not advisable to find an economical designer to do an economical project. Because a designer or a consultant, he needs to be more experienced to design an economical project where there is a budget constraint. An experienced designer can only use the material, the budget in the right way, because choosing the right materials, right specification, lowering the wastage and getting the project done into the timeline saves lots of cost. And that is very important for an economical or a budget project, even a luxury project as well. You don't want wastages. You don't want to use materials which are actually overrated. So it's a very deep advice from my side. If you even have a budget constraint, try not to constrain your budget on the designer. Try to find still the bestest designer you can. So if you have a budget constraint project, try only to opt the design and consultancy from your architect or your designer. Get the execution done by yourself, because that will not create a level of bridge that generally builds up. Because when you have a budget constraint, you still have lot of requirements and you will be pressurizing your designer to do it within that budget. At that point, certain designer try to limit the options to provide you, and where you lose out the creativity, lose out the bestest materials that could have been used, which could have been gone for a longer lifetime, and also on the quality and the finishing basis. Last but not the least, this suggestion is from my side to all the clients out there. Don't forget to thank your designer with something special at the completion of your project. So these are the few suggestions I would like to give to the clients out there to choose the right designer for your right project.